Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram password without knowing old password. So I'll show the step-by-step process of changing Instagram password without knowing old password. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app. Then you have to click on three line at the top right corner. After that, you will get setting option. From here you have to click on settings. Then you will get the security option. Click on security option. From here you will see the password option will come. Then you have to click on password. Here see current password, new password and new password again. So as you don't have the current password or you forget the current password, you have to click on forget password. Then this message will come that one email has sent to your mail that you have used to open that Instagram profile. So just click on OK, then go to your email. So I am going to my email where I have got one email from Instagram. They send the option of reset password. So I'm clicking reset password. Then you have to complete this action using any browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome. Then this option will come. From here you have to reset your password. So I'm giving the new password. My new password will be suppose. After confirming the new password, you have to click on reset password option. If you click on reset password option, then your password will reset. Then after using this new password, you can again log in your Instagram account. So in this way you can change your password without knowing old password. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.